Hello, I'm Zappa, and today I'm going to show you how you can make an item that breaks after you use it. So we can add durability to the item or weapon or anything you want. I'm going to make an item, but you can also make a weapon. It works the same way. So let's make an axe. Okay, not the good one here. Now let's create a common event. Let's call it X durability, and we need to set up a variable. Let's call it X durability, and this variable will control the amount of uses that our X have. So every time we call this common event, it will add 1 to the number of that variable. And then we need to make a conditional branch to check if this variable achieves a certain number. We want the axe to break and get out of inventory. So we'll use this variable, and if it's equal or bigger, let's say 5, this 5 will be the amount of uses that we have. Let's create an else branch. Okay. We want to change items and decrease X by 1, so it will be removed from our inventory. And then we need to set this variable to 0 again. So if we get another X, we can use it again. So control variables, set to 0. Actually, we don't need this else command. What we need is something that shows us that our axe has broken. So let's put the text. This is just to show that axe is broke. Okay, apply. Let's make an event just to show this. Let's create a tree. Conditional branch. Let's check if the player has an axe. Else branch. If it doesn't have an axe, we need to tell this. Okay, if you have an axe, let's control a self switch. But before we do this, in this part we need to call the common events, and it's in this part of the events that you need to call the common event, and every time you call this event, this common event, it will add 1 to the variable. So let's call it right now, common events, X durability, okay. And now we can activate the control self switch, new event page. Let's make something like this. This will be a parallel process. And then let's make the wait command so the tree grows back again. Let's put it so 60 frames is okay. And then control self switch A off. Apply. I already set up a plugin that shows our variable in the screen, so we can check the durability it has. So let's test it. Oh, we need an axe. Okay, let's make 2. So right now you can see the axe durability is on 0, so when it reaches 5 it will break. So we need an axe. Now we have an axe that you can see in here. Now every time we use this, you will notice that the durability increases. So we cut the 3, 2, and in 5 the axe is broken. So if we check our inventory, we don't have an axe. Then we can just pick it up another one and keep using it. If you want to check the number of uses that your axe have, you can just come to the axe item, and in description we'll just do this command, and this will show you the number of the value of our variable number 1, that it's our x variable. So if you do this, so when you come to the game, right here in the item description, you will see how many uses your x have. So it's 0 right now, and you can see here is 1, and here will be 1. To change the durability of the item, you just come to common events, and instead of 5, you can pick every number you want, like 200, or it doesn't matter. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.